Hi, good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Please tell me about your work experience.
Well, I'm a graduate of BS Psychology in Far Eastern University in the Philippines. I work as a receptionist in a massage center in Sheikh Zayed Road from year 2007 up to year 2011.
Can you tell me what were your duties and responsibilities while on the job?
Yes, ma'am, while I'm on the job, I work as a receptionist. I do organize and maintain our office files, respond to customers' complaints and inquiries. I also handle company mails. I attend phone calls. I do the cashiering also, prepare payrolls.
How long did you work with them?
I worked there for almost 5 years, ma'am.
Why you decided not to renew your contract?
Madam, the company closed.
What are your salary expectations?
My salary expectations 1,800 and above.
What is your favorite task? It is cooking, cleaning, or babysitting?
I like cooking, madam, and also babysitting.
What type of food can you cook?
I cook Filipino foods, but I will try cook other dishes because I love cooking.
What is your first action when a baby cries out loud?
If the baby cries out loud, I had to go to the baby and check what is the reason why she's crying. I'll check his nappy, maybe it's wet, or maybe the baby is hungry, he needs water or milk or food.
If the employer is not in the house and the child got sick, what is the first thing that you will do?
I had to call my employer that the baby is not feeling well, and also if the baby needs to be bring to the hospital, I will ask the employer if we need to bring them.
How lucky do you consider yourself and why?
I am lucky because I can do everything that I want to do, and also I'm lucky because God gave me so many blessings.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are only singing, dancing, and swimming. Also, sometimes I like music.
What is your favorite song?
Favorite song, I don't have favorite song. It's the melody that I like.
How long do you want to work here in UAE for?
I want to work in UAE as long as my employer likes me and as long as I like my employers.
Why do you think you should be hired?
I have the experience that my employer needed.
Thank you. Nice talking with you and have a good day.